Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. It is the third Friday of January, hard to believe, and I am back sharing another piece of artwork featuring the January stamp of the month, which happens to be called Looking Forward. And it's all of these fabulous thin cut images as well as these sentiments and words that you can use on this amazing little journaling tag. And I can't wait to jump in and share with you some artwork that I have created with it. This is the card that I'm going to be walking you through how to make today. It's a slimline card, and then next week I'm going to share with you how to make this A2 card. And then last week I shared how to make this 2-page layout, so go and check that out if you haven't already. And that's from one of our Make It From Your Heart Volume 3 how-to books. And then at the beginning of the month, I walked you through how to make this 2-page layout. And this was featured on page 50 in our new current catalog, which just went live in January. So many great things in it. There's a couple of brand new collections. One is the Let's Party collection. And then the other one is this really beautiful Sweet Memories collection. So I hope you've had a chance to take a look at this catalog. You get it free when you place an online order in the month of January. So make sure that you add it to your cart. And our VIPs, don't forget, you get 15% back on every online purchase, full price products and even discounted products. You get 15% back. And then you can use that credit anytime you want on full price products. And this is the last month that any new VIPs that join Close to My Heart, you will get an additional $15 credit in your account. So it's a great time to be a VIP with Close to My Heart. You earn free product, and then you also get the stamp of the month at a discount. And you actually get the stamp set itself for free, and then the thin cut is discounted for you. So make sure that you grab those while you're shopping. So let's go ahead and get started with this card right now. I've really been enjoying making slimline cards lately, and the pattern that I'm using is from our newest Make It From Your Heart Volume 6 collection, which not only has single 12x12 layouts in it and double page layouts, but it also features slimline cards now and standard size cards. So it's a really substantial pattern book. This is pattern 31 and it's on page 66. And I really loved the first idea in this example. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I am going to just get all of my pieces off to the side, get them organized. I was able to cut the stars off the acetate and then look at the stamp from the stamp of the month and that thin cut. I cut 2 of them and then paper pieced the white one, and I'm going to pop it with some foam tape on top of the Limeade piece that I cut out and stamped on. And it really makes a powerful statement and just elevates that sentiment and lifts it up. So I'm just peeling off the backing from the 3D foam tape that I had from some leftover circle shaker acetate package. I love using up those little bits and pieces for future projects. And I'm just going to take the piece that I fussy cut out and put it right on top of that black circle from the stamp set. And it's just so fun to be able to paper piece things like that. Doesn't that look so cute? And I just love the dimension of it. So next we're going to take the piece of Bluebird Cardstock from the Mix-In collection. If you don't have this mix-in paper, you guys grab it. It is such a perfect paper pack. It is so versatile with these 2 collections in this new catalog. And I'm just mounting that on the center of the slimline card. And then we're going to take the next piece, and it's 5/8 of an inch in from the side of the card. And I'm just getting that lined up on my Versamat where you can see I'm pointing to those dimensions, and I'm just attaching that piece on there. Getting that lined up. And then I'm going to take both the zip strip and that little 1/8 of an inch piece of Sapphire glitter paper, and I like to stick them together to put the adhesive on. I just find that it's a lot easier. And just using that awesome Close to My Heart adhesive to do that. If you don't have the new Close to My Heart adhesive, try it. It's really super sticky, but it also gives you a little bit of play when you're first putting something down. You've got some wiggle room to lift it up and move it without tearing your paper. And it's now refillable, which is really great. So now I'm putting the zip strip on, getting that lined up there. And I love this zip strip. It's a great plaid, and that little piece of black just really draws your eye in. And then all you have to do is add the sentiment, just putting a little bit of adhesive on the back of the Limeade piece, and that is butted right up against the Bluebird Cardstock, as you can see here in the pattern, and it's about 1 inch from the bottom. So I'm just counting up 4 squares from my Versamat and then tucking that right there. And now I'm just going to take those stars that are on the acetate that I cut. This is a little tricky when you've got that little tiny piece of acetate, but I'm just going to take those stars now with my tweezers and strategically place them and just add a little bit of accent. I love those little stars from the black and white dots. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you had fun creating with me, and I look forward to seeing what you create with this amazing stamp of the month. Thanks so much for joining me, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next week.